Hey everyone, it's Gab. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. It's really simple, not much to it, and it takes less than 5 minutes. So if you're interested, let's just get into it. So for starters, I just wash my face, do my skincare, moisturize. Moisturizer makes all the difference when you're applying makeup, so definitely moisturize prior. My favorite currently is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I have a hard time finding good moisturizer because my skin is so dry that the moisturizer just like gets sucked into it. Anyway, yeah, so start out with a clean and moisturized face. Usually I would start with my foundation first, but honestly since COVID hit and we've been wearing masks, I haven't touched foundation in so long. So I'm just gonna skip over that because it's not a part of my everyday makeup routine anymore. So currently I've been starting with eyebrows, so usually I just comb them out. And then I take a little angled skinny brush, and I've been taking just like a tan brown eyeshadow and just filling them in slightly. And I just go back in and brush them out, smooth them out a little bit. Okay, so that's it for eyebrows. Next I'll just go in with some bronzer and bronze up my face, add some color. I usually use the Hoola bronzer. Then I just go in with an eyeshadow brush and take my Hoola bronzer and just put that all over my eyelid as eyeshadow. I like to drag that under my eye as well. Creates more of like a smoky look. While still being natural because it's just bronzer, but so then I'll go back in with that skinny angled brush and I'm going to take like a dark brown color and use that as eyeliner. So I'll just add that to the outer corner of my eyes. Lastly, for my eyes, I'll just curl them and use my Roller Lash by Benefit mascara. So the eyes are completely done, and now I'll just apply some lip gloss or chapstick. I've been using, honestly I have no idea how to pronounce this, maybe like Laneige? It is considered a lip sleeping mask, but I've just been using it just as chapstick all day and it works really well. I love it. Yeah, I'll just apply a little bit of that. Sometimes, depending on if I will have a mask on or not, I will add some color to my lips. Yeah, so that is the completed makeup look. I hope you all liked it. Like I said, super simple, super fast, not many products used. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next. Bye! Everyone say hello to El Chompo! He's my little bearded dragon. What are you doing? And he's just satisfied here. See ya!